In this video, I'm gonna show you how to insert videos in Google Slides. Adding videos can make your presentation more interactive, engaging, and easier to explain. So first, open your presentation in Google Slides. Then, select a slide where you want to add a video. Next, click Insert at the top menu, then select Video. As you can see, a window appears with different ways to add a video. You can search for a YouTube video, paste a YouTube link, or choose a video from your Google Drive. After you select the video that you want, the video will instantly appear on your slide. You can resize and move it just like an image. To customize playback settings, click the video, then open Format Options. As you can see here, Format Options is already open on the right side of my browser. If it's not yet open for you, click Format, then click Format Options. From here, you can choose when the video starts, mute, or enable autoplay. And that's it. Thanks for watching.